Specifications: CPU, MediaTek MT6750V octa-core. GPU, Mali T860MP2. RAM, 4GB. Storage, 64GB. Screen size, 5.5 inch. Resolution, 1920 by 1080. Weight, 204 grams. Dimensions, 153 by 76 by 10.2 millimeters. Rear camera, 12 MP. Front camera, 8 MP. OS, Android 7.0. Battery, 4Ah. The Voga V uses a MEMS laser projector. There's no DLP technology here, capable of delivering a 5000:1 contrast ratio, or so it claims on the spec sheet, and comes with a customized UI that runs on top of Android 7.0. The hardware used by the smartphone is what you'd expect to find on a top-end 2016-2017 flagship model. The combination of an octa-core chip, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage should be powerful enough to keep this handset relevant for some time going forward. A couple of notes on the components. One downside is that there's no 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, which is a disappointment for a device of this price level. Adding this would have cost pennies. Its absence means that the phone may struggle when streaming high-resolution content. Tech claims that the 4,000 mAh battery can power the projector for at least 4 hours, something we're highly dubious of.